In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily unrestrict someone on Messenger. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Messenger app, and then in order to find the list of users you have restricted, you should hit at these three lines, then tap at gear icon to open up settings, and on settings tap at privacy and safety. On that page you can easily find restricted accounts. Just get into it, and that's where you can find the list of users you have restricted. And then to unrestrict any user, first off you need to tap at that user's name, and then towards the bottom of the screen hit at unrestrict, just like that. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.